Let us talk about the story of a man in Democratic Republic of Congo. This is the story of Dieudonne, entitled Scary Animals. Dieudonne is a passionate preacher in the Democratic Republic of Congo. His work is to preach on university campuses and bring students to his church today. Back then, when he was 68 years old, Bible workers came to his home and invited him to meetings of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. On the first night, he saw a large banner with pictures of frightening animals. His wife became afraid and left, but Dieudonne stayed. As he listened, he learned that the images came from the books of Daniel and Revelation. He gained a new understanding of the Bible that he had never known before. His understanding truly changed when Gospel of Luke 24 verse 1 was read, showing the first day of the week is Sunday. He realized that the seventh day, Saturday, is the true Sabbath, and he decided to keep it. When the call for baptism was made, he immediately went forward and got baptized. Later, he shared what he learned with his family and wife, and many of them were also baptized like him. Today, Dieudonne continues serving by setting up a tent near the roadside where he studied the Bible with people. In just a few months, 20 people joined the church. Dieudonne's church is connected to the Adventist clinic in Kinshasa, which received a previous 13th Sabbath offering, also known as the Quarterly Mission Project offering. Thank you for supporting the clinic and its church through your prayers. This quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will also help support a new project in Kinshasa, a future media center that will house Hope Channel, Adventist World Radio, a social media evangelistic center, and a French language call center. Thank you for your generous giving for these important projects.